Good day everyone, we are in Group 5. In this video, we will be presenting Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. In this activity, we will demonstrate the procedure of our experiment. The following materials will be used during the demonstration: a marble and a measuring stick. But first, let us learn what is the Newton's first law.
According to Newton's first law, an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion continues moving in a straight line at constant speed unless a force changes it. This means that objects naturally resist change in their motion. The resistance is called inertia.
We now begin with the first part of our experiment, where we demonstrate Newton's first law of motion. In this part, we observe how a marble behaves when pushed. The marble keeps rolling until friction or an obstacle stops it, showing Newton's first law of motion.
We place the marble on a flat surface. As you can see, the marble stays in place because no force is acting on it. But once we apply a push, it starts to roll and continues moving in the same direction until friction or an obstacle slow it down and stop it.
Next, we throw the marble upward. As it moves up, it keeps going up until gravity, the external force, shows it down and pulls it back down. When it falls, the marble keeps moving downward until it hits the ground, showing that an object will stay in motion or at the rest unless acted upon by external force.
Next, we test the effects of friction using 3 different surfaces: glass, towel, and tiles, for each surface with the same strength, and measure how far and how long it takes before stopping. We do 3 trials per surfaces to make our result more consistent.
Using a glass or a fair surface.
Next, we roll the marble on the towel. It stops almost immediately because the towel has a rough surface which creates more friction and resists the motion of the marble.
Now, we roll the marble on the tile floor.